As you can see, I'm holding kind of a variant of a traffic light buzzer. I'll show you how to do this. Quite simple. Right, on my hook, or on my vise is a hook, Partridge. It's a Grub hook, size 10. I'm using Semperfli 8/0 thread. For the breeders, I'm using gold Brite white from Semperfli. Pinch and loop, bring it down. Using the curved scissors, I'm going to put a slight taper. Like so. Anti-clockwise my thread to flatten it out, and then carry on down the hook. And then back up to the point of the hook. Anti-clockwise my thread, just let that spin there, and I'm using Holographic red from Semperfli, just a wee thing. Right. You've seen me before doing this. Light turn it first, and then just carry on down. Take your time going down. There's no rush. Right. Then carry on back up to where you started from. Okay, you see there where I finished the whole time. Anti-clockwise my thread again. I want to flatten it out. When you're flattening it out as well, you also cover more of the hook. So this is the start of my tapering. I'm going to go about a quarter here first, and then come back up, anti-clockwise again. This time I'm going to go about halfway. See, just there at the point of each time, and then now I'm going to go to about 3/4, and that will give me a bit of a taper there. Okay, bring your holographic tinsel up first. The close turns are first, and then open them up then. Tie that in, 2 turns there first, and then just tighten in. There you go. I'm going to put a bit more build up of my thorax, and then start here again. So first up is Semperfli Mirage Tinsel, 0.8mm. Enough for 2 sides. So I'll do the near your side first. As you can see, do that. Right. 2 turns there just to hold it in place. And my side. Same thing. 2 turns at first. Square it up and hold it in place. Right, my tinsel, flat Mirage tinsel, again 0.8mm. I had a piece on the table there, it's gonna miss. So I'll just doesn't want to behave itself. Let's just so at first. Tie it all in. Come back down to where your thorax starts, which is there. Just hold that all in place there with your fingers. Anti-clockwise your thread again and cover all that up. I'm just going to build my thorax up like a rugby ball. Look this side here to see how it is. Yeah. Okay, right. I'm going to tie in this thorax cover. I usually do the cheeks first, but it just wants to behave itself. So I'll just do one turn up first. That's all you need, because you don't need to put 3 or 4 turns for each one. You want to keep your head small, just tighten in then. So bring everything back, and again 2 turns is enough, and just start clipping them off. The fine scissors. This is going to be easy to do. Right, so just tidy up your head like so. You don't need to be too a big head in it. You have to remember there's going to be resin and there's everything else on top of it. And then just whip finish. 3 turns is enough. And tighten in like so. Okay. And that's the tying part done. Okay, right. What I'd use next is Super 10. You can use 10 as well, like, but I just prefer my buzzers this way. Right, thorax cover I do first. Just be careful, because you don't want to get resin onto your Brite. Okay, I'll do this first. You can see that cheek glowing in the torch. Okay. And then a very, very light coat for the body. And then do the thorax as well. So, and give it a blast with the torch. So, okay. Right. Next is about 3 or 4 coats of varnish or whatever you want to use yourself. I'm using a brush coat here. It's going to be light because I don't want to get my varnish into my breeders. So, a bit too much now on the brush. And very, very important that you do the edge here, so no water gets in there. Okay. and that is your kind of a traffic light buzzer as such. Okay, something very simple and something that you can easily tie yourself. Thanks for watching. See you again next week.